How to turn photos into paintings in Photoshop. So I use this, I'll grab images and turn them into digital paintings and post them on a couple of different print on demand platforms. And just about every day I get an email that I've got at least one or two sales. So it's been working pretty well. I'm just going to show you real quick an easy way to just generate a lot of content really fast. So I'm going to go to a stock photo site here and click on the nature tab. I'm going to grab more contrasty images seem to work better. So I'm going to grab this beach scene here, rocky coastline. I'm going to go ahead and download that open it up in Photoshop. So here we are there. I'm going to duplicate the layer. And then to use this whole workflow relies pretty heavily on the Topaz Studio 2 plugin, which I've got under filters. I'm going to go up here, Topaz Studio 2. So I've got a link in the description for Topaz Studio and a 15% discount coupon code. So it's an affiliate link, but if you buy it through with that code, with the coupon code, you can save 15%. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so we got this image here, and just to make this video quick, I'm just going to use one of their presets. Let's see, so I'm going to click Add Look. I've got under Favorites, I just kind of look on the side here, it gives you a preview, and I look kind of like what the Edward Hopper is doing, so, okay, yeah, I like that. It's kind of intense. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Accept, and then boom. So what I do after that is pretty straightforward. I add another layer, and then I'm going to put a little signature on the bottom there. I've got a brush preset with my signature on it. I'll put a link in the description to the video on that, but I go ahead and pick a color. So I'm going to switch over to brush. Got my preset. I'm going to hold down the I key and grab a color with something contrasting to the bottom corner. I'm going to pick this sort of orange color, and I'm doing this on a separate layer, so I'm just going to click right there. Sometimes I'll drop the fill on that just a little bit, and then yeah, I mean that's the whole thing. You can then just save the image out as a PNG and upload it to whatever print on demand sites. And like I said, it's been working pretty well for me. I've been getting regular sales. You can do more involved stuff that was just using a preset. I've got another video on doing faces and portraits and whatnot. I'll put a link for that as well. But just to show you real quick, here's a couple examples. Here's another one I did. Just grabbed a street scene, turned it into that painting. Oh, that one turned out cool. It was like a southwest nature scene, and turned that in a different style of painting there. I like the way the textures on that mesa or butte or whatever it is. Um, yeah, just a nature scene. And this one, kind of a pointillist style. I like that one a lot. But anyhow, hope you enjoy. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out content on digital art and digital media. And ring the bell, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And stay safe out there.